Imagine this. You're a professional soccer player in the prime of your career and then a powerful sneeze sidelines you. Yes, you heard it right, a sneeze. This is exactly what happened to Victor Adeboyeho, a striker for the Bolton Wanderers. After a particularly hefty sneeze, Adeboyeho felt a crack in his ribs, leading to a back injury. This unusual incident caused him to miss the EFL trophy victory at Barrow. While the team managed to win, their campaign was off to an unusual start, to say the least. Manager Ian Evatt hopes it's just a muscular issue, but as we all wait for the scan results, it's clear that even the most mundane actions can have big impacts. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember Adeboyeho's story and brace yourself.